Hey everybody, I'm Aaron with Turnage Motors in Lexington, 4637 Augusta Road, turnagemotorco.com. This is a beautiful, beautiful Hyundai Sonata Hybrid. This is a 2012 with 137,000 miles on it. Personally, I think this is an awesome color, a sky blue, beautiful sky blue. Being a hybrid, this car gets over 30 miles a gallon, easily 35 and often 38, 39. They're super good on gas. This one's really nicely equipped. You've got the big glass roof on this side and the sunroof on the front side. Leather, heated seats, navigation, Bluetooth. Everything you could get on a Sonata in 2012. The leather is very, very good. The whole inside is very clean. Really the only negative on this car, I would say, is the dash has these little cracks on it. Backup camera, Bluetooth, like I said. It's taking a minute to come up. 137 on the miles. There we go. Heated seats. All your books are there. Steering wheel controls. Bluetooth controls on this side, infinity sound system, great cold AC, very comfortable spacious back seat. Also have controls for your rear passengers here to have air. Everything you want and nothing you don't in an affordable, fuel-efficient sedan. If you're looking for a great car, guys, please call me, whether it's this one or any other. We have so many good options. 803-853-4300, turnagemotorco.com. Thanks for watching.